In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the composition size in Adobe After Effects. Whether you're making adjustments for a new project requirement or simply experimenting with different dimensions, knowing how to change your composition settings is essential for any After Effects user. We're going to go through the process step by step, ensuring it's clear and simple for you to follow along at home. First things first, make sure you've selected your composition in the project panel or that the composition you wish to adjust is active on your screen. This is a crucial starting point because you'll be making setting adjustments specific to this composition. Next, we'll navigate to the Composition menu. You can do this by either clicking on the Composition drop-down menu at the top of the screen and selecting Composition Settings, or quickly accessing the settings by using the keyboard shortcut. Ctrl+K if you're on Windows, or Command+K if you're using a Mac. This shortcut is handy and saves time once you get the hang of it. Once the Composition Settings dialog box appears, you'll notice a variety of fields you can adjust. Here, you'll see options for width and height, as well as pixel aspect ratio, frame rate, duration, and more. For today's task, we're going to focus on adjusting the width and height values. Carefully input the new dimensions you want your composition to be. Precision is key here, especially if you're adhering to specific project specifications. Now, if maintaining the aspect ratio of your original composition is important for your project, you have an option to lock aspect ratio, assuming this option is available in your version of After Effects. By checking this option, you ensure that any adjustment to the width automatically adjusts the height proportionally, and vice versa. This is incredibly useful for avoiding any unintentional distortion to your project, preserving its intended look and feel. Once you've entered your desired width and height and adjusted the aspect ratio settings to your liking, go ahead and click OK to apply your changes. You'll immediately notice that your composition has been resized to the new dimensions you've specified. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the size of your composition in Adobe After Effects. By understanding these settings, you're empowered to tailor your projects precisely to meet your creative or project needs. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to run through these steps again as you get more comfortable. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.